Hey foodies, today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious grilled skirt steak recipe with marinade. So hey, it's Jenna here from sipbitego, and today I'm going to take you both in the kitchen and out back with Chef Hubs as we show you how to make this marinade and then grill skirt steak so it's tender and juicy and the perfect medium rare. Let's get to it. First, we're going to start with that marinade. So here are the ingredients that you need. It's just a handful of things that go into a bowl, and we're starting with a beautiful 1.5 pound of skirt steak. You could also use flank steak or hanger steak. All of these ingredients, especially that lime juice and soy sauce, are going to help to make sure the meat comes out completely tender when grilled. So all of these delicious flavors, including some diced jalapeno, go into the marinade, and then it just has to kind of hang out there for about 2 to 24 hours. And don't forget to set a little bit of that marinade aside, and that is actually going to become a sauce later, but it can't touch the raw meat, so you need that little reserve set aside. So now let's head out back, and I'm going to show you with Chef Hubs how to heat this at about 500 degrees and cook up that delicious skirt steak. So don't forget to use a little olive oil here or spray so it doesn't stick to the grill grates. And you are just going to keep on flipping that steak until it's done. And make sure to use a meat thermometer so you can do a little temperature check to get the perfect steak temperature. I really like medium rare for skirt steak tacos or for serving it over a salad. Look how beautiful this is. So when it's time to slice, you want to make sure that you leave at least 10, maybe even 15 or 20 minutes for the steak to rest, and then you can go ahead and slice it perpendicular so it cuts against the grain. Make sure to serve it with some of that reserved juice, that leftover skirt steak marinade, and maybe a little squeeze of lime. Here we were doing tacos, so I put some accompaniments on the side and used all that leftover delicious juice. Doesn't that look so good? Want to make the best air fryer chicken wings in the world? I'm serious. Head on over to sipbitego.com to print out this super easy recipe. And for more delicious dishes, make sure to subscribe to the Sipbitego channel on YouTube. I have so many delicious air fryer recipes coming your way. Now at sipbitego.com, you'll find out the difference between grilled skirt steak and flank steak. You'll also find other delicious steak recipes. I do a ton of cooking, and you'll also be able to find the directions for oven broiling skirt steak and also searing skirt steak in a cast iron skillet. Well, I hope you have all the kitchen confidence you need so you can make this delicious steak. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Don't forget to check out another Sip, Bite, Go video. Cheers!